A bad auto-blend door actuator in a vehicle's HVAC, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system can lead to various symptoms. The blend door actuator is responsible for controlling the temperature and directing airflow within the cabin. When it malfunctions, it can result in the following symptoms. Before we begin, I have riddle for you. If you know the answer, please write in comment below if you know the answer. I'm the heart of your engine, where power's birthed and burns bright. I ignite the fuel with a spark so precise. What am I? Inconsistent temperature control. The most common symptom is difficulty maintaining the desired cabin temperature. You may notice that the air coming from the vents is too hot or too cold, even when you've adjusted the temperature settings. Clicking or tapping noises. A failing blend door actuator may produce audible clicking or tapping noises when you adjust the temperature or ventilation settings. This sound is often a sign of a stripped gear or a malfunctioning actuator motor. Inability to change temperature. Sometimes, the blend door actuator may completely prevent you from adjusting the temperature. You may be stuck with a specific temperature setting, making it uncomfortable to drive in extreme weather conditions. Overheating or cooling issues. If the blend door actuator is stuck in the wrong position, it can lead to overheating or cooling problems. For instance, during hot weather, it may continually blow hot air into the cabin, making it uncomfortable. Conversely, in cold weather, it may blow cold air, making it difficult to heat the interior. Decreased HVAC performance. A malfunctioning blend door actuator can reduce the overall performance of your vehicle's HVAC system. You might notice slower temperature adjustments, less effective defrosting, or longer times to reach the desired cabin temperature. Warning lights. In some cases, a faulty blend door actuator can trigger warning lights on the vehicle's dashboard, especially if it's connected to the vehicle's climate control system. It's essential to address these symptoms promptly to ensure the comfort and safety of your vehicle's occupants. If you suspect a problem with the blend door actuator, it's advisable to have a professional mechanic diagnose and repair the issue, as accessing and replacing these components can be challenging and require specific tools and knowledge. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.